In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sleep mode on Windows 11. Now, having a computer that doesn't go to sleep when it should can be pretty frustrating, whether you're trying to save power or simply keep things running smoothly. Let's dive into some simple steps that can help you solve this issue. First, let's start by checking the sleep settings on your computer. To do this, you'll want to open the Settings menu. You can easily access it by pressing Windows key and I together. Once the Settings window opens, navigate to the System section and then select Power and Battery. Here you'll find the option labeled Screen and Sleep, so go ahead and click to expand it. This section is quite significant because it dictates how your device conserves energy when it's idle. You should see options to set specific sleep times for both when your device is running on battery power and when it's plugged in. On battery power, it's generally recommended to set your device to sleep after anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes of inactivity. Meanwhile, when your device is plugged in, you might choose to have it enter sleep mode after 15 to 60 minutes. Adjust these times according to your preference, but be sure they're not set to never, as this would prevent your computer from going to sleep altogether. Next, let's utilize the Power Troubleshooter to help identify any underlying issues. To begin, open the Settings menu again. From there, click on System, and then proceed to Troubleshoot. Within this section, click on Other Troubleshooters. This handy tool is designed to locate and resolve problems automatically. Scroll through the list until you find the Power Troubleshooter, and once you've located it, simply click Run. The troubleshooter will then start scanning for any potential issues with your power settings. If it finds any problems, it will offer recommended fixes. Make sure to apply these fixes, as they can often resolve issues that might not be immediately obvious. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to ensuring that your Windows 11 device's sleep mode functions as intended. If your device continues to defy sleep, you might consider checking for any software updates or looking into advanced settings related to specific applications or drivers that could be interfering. Keep in mind, technology can sometimes be a quirky companion, but with a bit of patience and these troubleshooting steps, you'll have your device snoozing peacefully in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to drop a comment if you have further questions or need additional assistance. Have a great day.